All right, here we go. Nighttime riding. Look at the hazards.
So checking properly. He surprised the driver.
Got the indicator.
But fortunately, he ended with just a valuable lesson.
Red light. Oh. You can't prevent that. Can't really prevent that. The car driver hit you. Now, this is going to be like a sideswipe incident, just like if we were in a car. It's just that in a car, we have seatbelts, airbags, all the other stuff. And a bike, that's just like a normal roadway accident. And that sucks. Hope everyone knows it was legal to pass on the right. Okay, let's see. We switched lanes into them. It's a lane. You can. I'm pretty sure it's not illegal to pass on the right. Especially if it's a lane. Okay, so there's the lane marker. He's going into the new lane. It is in Europe. I guess in Europe, guys. America, it's just another lane. Okay. Well, now we know. So I hope everyone knows it's illegal to pass on the right in Europe. Here we go. Remember when cars would always put those stripes? Is that an old Mustang? They'd put those stripes on to make it look like the race cars. All right. So anyways, let's go back just a little bit. So we're switching lanes. Open lane pattern. We decided to go into the open lane. We did the open lane pattern. And it seems like this person wants to do the same. All right. Oh, I would hate to crash and wrap myself around one of these little poles. Oof. Speedo's blurred. Side of the pedestrian. What are you doing, dude? Good job with this rider, though. Saw that. Located a hazardous situation. Assessed if it's a relevant threat. Yeah, it is. It's in the lane. We got to navigate. How did we navigate? Applied some brakes and then swerved to the left into a new position for safety. So good job on this rider. I don't know why we're blurring the speedo out. So you see the brakes right there applying, downshifted, was able to move to the left. Great job with the progressive braking. Did really good. Guy's an idiot though. That guy with the wood. All right, having fun on the track. This is where you practice your high speed maneuvers. So you push the limits sometimes, and sometimes you crash. Thankfully, it was a low side, not a high side. So great runoff. You're not in the mountains. You're not going to hit a guardrail. Look at the runoff. Look at the runoff. Let's say this is the side of a cliff. You fell off a cliff. Or the side, like the drop cliff you fell off. But the side of an actual cliff, you just hit all those rocks. Full gear, full leathers. I mean, this is where you practice, guys. This is where you practice.
No voice there.
And he's got crash guards, the sliders. Bike's probably going to be fine. All right, here we go. Side of the Ford Transit. I wanted one of these for a while. Well, that's a different brand, but it's basically a Ford Transit. Those are kind of fun. Low. You can fit a bike in the back. Two-seater, basically, at the end of the day. A Citron. That's what it is. Is that the lean angle thing? That's pretty interesting. Anyways, we're going pretty fast. 135 kilometers an hour on a speedo. Coming into this turn, we're super low angle, and we're just gonna go straight for that because we're not paying attention. Ooh, good job saving himself. Maybe slow it down a little bit next time. Blurring our speedo out again. We're going with the flow of traffic. Why do we have to blur the speedo out? We're going with the flow of traffic. Oh, open lane pattern. Person comes out. Not a big deal. Not a big deal. It happens all the time. Just stay staggered with other vehicles. Recognize that pattern. Recognize somebody will want to do that. You just modulate your own speed. Side of the vehicle here. Okay, slow it down. Don't rev bomb. Just kind of move out of the way. Perfect. Did fine. That person was sneaking out because they can't see because the other vehicle is parked. So yeah, their front end sneaks out a little bit. Okay. So now they can see, right? Now they can see. Sun is in their eyes, right? Because look at the shadow. So they're trying their best to see. It's called opening the view. They actually teach you this in the MSF is once you get to a stop sign and you can't see around, you open the view by creeping up. And that's perfectly fine. You just don't want to get so far up that you're going to get hit. That's what they're doing is opening the view. They shouldn't have parking on that grass area, but they do. Not a big deal. Just moved over. Yeah, he was paying attention. All right, so what do we got here? It's a neighborhood riding. Watch out for anybody coming out of driveways. Okay, it's a... Oh, they missed their turn. They're probably going to back up and then turn left. You did fine. Not a big deal. They probably turned. Let's see. Nope, okay. I installed my bike's battery the wrong way round. One of the battery terminals came in contact with the bike's frame and caught on fire. Well, if you did it the wrong way, it wouldn't work. It just sounds like the term, like it came off. Let's find out. Let's see what happens. Like, what's... Okay. Oh, there it goes. It just shut off. So it must have just, it came loose.
Oh, no.
Oh, we're smoking. You can see a little bit of smoke. His butt was probably getting a little hot.
That's not good.
Open it up. It's only going to burn if it has combustible materials, and your seat's definitely one of them. So open it up. There you go. Turn it off first. There you go. Open it up. There you go. Yeah, the wire. Ooh! Yeah. Come on, nobody's been shocked before? I like his riding pants. These are motorcycle jeans. You can see with the armor. There. But anyways, thank you, MotoStars, for putting that out. We do, guys. Remember, we have that membership. Grab the membership before it goes to $120 a year, because right now there's a founders thing. It's links in the description for the discount. But once this Smart Rider training manual does come out, it's going to go to $120 a year. Also, we do right now have the Smart Rider drills. Right now, 24 drills. Practice in the parking lot. Have fun. We have the games going on right now. With that said, hope you guys ride safe, be safe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.